Hello and welcome to the Agent Survival Guide podcast. This is our series, Agent Apps. I'm your host, Tina Lamoureux. This series introduces you to apps that will make daily life and your business run smoother. From fitness, travel, to personal planners, and more, we've tested them all. If you're an independent agent or manage a team, these apps will help streamline the process of tracking and reimbursing business expenses. When you're self-employed, you should still be tracking your business expenses, office supplies, travel expenses, rent if you lease out an office space. Expenses like these can be written off when filing your personal or business taxes. These apps can also be really useful for businesses, helping managers and employees keep track of expenses digitally instead of sifting through piles of paper receipts. We've mentioned Zoho resources on the podcast before, like Zoho Mail, Zoho Webinar, and Zoho Meeting. Today, we're looking at Zoho Expense, an app for tracking business expenses. Once the app is downloaded, set up your organization's profile. In the settings, you can invite users via email. Choose their role, like admin, approver, or submitter, and their profile information, like what department they're in, and contact information. On the main dashboard, create work trips and reports, track mileage, scan receipts, add receipts manually, and submit for approval. There are a few different ways you can track mileage in the app. One way is by turning on the GPS in the app and using it as you drive. Or you can enter the miles and reimbursement value manually. There are also some analytics features, expenses by category, and expenses by merchant. This gives you a visual of how much you've been spending with a merchant, like your office supplies company, or a specific category like transportation or company lunches. You can also connect your cards to the app, making it easier to document purchases made for the company, which can be especially helpful if you have a business credit or debit card. The app updates card transactions in real time. You can also download and print out reports. And for an extra layer of safety, you can add a PIN number to the mobile app. Zoho Expense has 4 tiers. The first is the free version, great for small agencies or self-employed agents. With the free version, you can have up to 3 users, 5 GB of storage, 20 receipt auto scans, email support, and more. The next tier is Standard, at $5 monthly per user. You get everything included in the free plan, plus unlimited users, phone and remote assistance, cash advances, 20 auto scans per user, and more. Premium is $7 a month per user at the time of this recording. It includes unlimited receipt auto scan, travel and purchase requests, and a lot more. They also have a custom plan for larger organizations. For this plan, you must contact Zoho for a quote. Standard and Premium have discounts if billed annually and have 14-day free trials available. You can also integrate certain apps with Zoho Expense, like Google Drive, Office 365, Slack, and Intuit QuickBooks, to name a few. We'll have the Zoho Expense website linked in the episode notes for you to view the full list of features and integrations. This app is extremely user-friendly. I had no trouble figuring out how to fill out reports, and there is email support on the free version if you need assistance. And I found the prices pretty impressive as well. Zoho Expense is available for free download on iOS, Android, and on web browser. The next app is called Everlance. This one can easily be used if you're self-employed, have a side gig, and for businesses. The main feature of this app is mileage tracking, but you can also upload receipts. Track your mileage either by turning on the GPS in the app or enter manually. You can add vehicles, favorite destinations, and work hours. Everlance has 3 tiers for businesses and 3 for individuals. Let's start with businesses. The first tier is free, which includes manual mileage tracking, expense management, reporting and approval flows for up to 15 users. Next is CPM Program. This has an automatic mileage tracker, ability to sync credit cards, custom commute rules, and more. CPM Program is $12 a month per user at the time of this recording. The last tier for businesses is Favor Program, priced at $33 a month per user. This includes everything from the CPM program, plus custom APIs, bulk data imports, enterprise resource planning, and HR system integrations, and more. The free individual tier does not have approval workflows. Instead, it features a tax center, IRS-compliant mileage logs, a web dashboard, and more. Individual Premium gets you all that, plus phone and chat assistance, credit card and bank sync, among a few other features. Premium is priced at $8 a month billed monthly, or $5 a month billed annually. The last individual plan is Premium Plus. With this, you'll enjoy features like live one-on-one training, priority responses, and more. Premium Plus comes in at $10 a month billed annually, or $12 a month billed monthly at the time of this recording. We'll link to the Everlance website for you to view all the features. Everlance is available for free download on iOS, Android, and on web browser. That's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for listening. We will see you next episode. The Agent Survival Guide podcast is a production of Ritter Insurance Marketing, an integrity company. This episode was written and produced by me, Tina Lamoureux. Script editing by Sarah Ruppel. Design by Urban Rivera. Artwork by Vivian Zhao. Remember to rate and review our show on Apple or Spotify.